Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the continuation of the tutorial. Now in this particular tutorial we're going to be talking about our folder structure and gathering some of the resources we're going to need to start developing. So I've already created a folder that we're going to be using for this particular course. So I will head on to my local disk and XAMPP. Okay, as a matter of fact, I'm using XAMPP. XAMPP is available for both Windows, Linux, and Mac, but you can decide to use WAMP. WAMP is I think for Windows users, and MAMP is available for Mac users only. So for you to continue with this tutorial, of course, you need to have a kind of a server running, and I'm using Apache with XAMPP. So I'm going to go to the folder we are using. I've already created for this tutorial. I will head on to my htdocs folder. And the folder I've created for this is result checking. That's a folder. So now this is a template, a very lightweight template actually I downloaded for this particular course. So you can use this template with me if you like, and if you like also you can download the new template or just work with the Bootstrap framework alone. But I'm going to leave a link to this particular template in case you want to use it. I'll leave a link where you can download it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and extract this particular zip folder here, or zip file rather. I'll extract it here. I'm going to right click and click on extract here. So I'm going to delete this particular file. I don't need it anymore. Then I have this web folder. I will go right in and open this. Then I'm going to copy everything here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to cut. Okay, then I will have to bring it back to this parent folder and paste every of the content here. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is to get rid of this web folder. I don't need it any longer, so I will click and click on delete. Yes, I want to delete it. Also, I don't need this licensed file here. Delete as well. So all I'll be needing is the CSS folder, and the CSS folder contains the style of CSS for this particular template, then the images as well. So we're just going to preview this to see how this part actually looks like in the browser. So to do that, I'm going to head on to my browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'll go to localhost / result checking, not result checker, result checking. Okay, so this is what I have. So it's just a lightweight template, like I told you. Just having a heading here and some text below. Okay, so this is what we have. Alright, now I'm going to go back to this folder again and create some necessary folders that we are going to work with in this particular tutorial. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to head back to my folder. Now I will create another folder for the admin section, which I'm going to be using later in the tutorial when developing the admin section of the course. So I will click on new folder and I'm going to write admin here. Then one thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy the CSS and the images folder. I'm going to copy them also and put in the admin folder, because we're going to be needing them in the admin folder as well. Okay, so now is there any other thing we have to do here? For now I think no. So this is just the folder structure we're going to be using. Okay, now the rest of this particular parent folder here will contain all the files for the student section, while this will contain the admin, the files for the admin section. Okay, so in the next tutorial I'm going to introduce you to the database. We're going to start creating our database schema, and then the next tutorial we start developing the application proper. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.